Cardano is testing a crucial resistance point, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see, Cardano is testing a very crucial resistance point once again at the 32-cent level. This level, of course, has acted as a very strong support / resistance for Cardano overall. And you can see that every time we test this level, we immediately start seeing those bearish engulfing candles kick in. Right now, what we're looking for on Cardano is a strong bullish engulfing candle actually trying to break above this level. And I'll show you guys the hourly time frames in a second to kind of explain what I'm looking for, but right now on the terms of the 4 hour, there is something of interest to note. Before, when we broke above this level, we didn't see the exponential moving averages being used as support. You can see even after this move to the downside, we were still testing them as resistance, but now things are getting a little bit more interesting. We are now using this level as support with a follow through of a ladder case upwards, and you see we have tested the support level multiple times, showing the fact that this is a very strong support. Ideally, from a bullish case scenario, we would have to try to break above this crucial resistance here at 34 cents and find it as support in order for us to have a confirmed bullish trend to the upside. But of course, if we do see that 34-cent level being retested and rejected, then I'm still playing with my daily support here at 28. In yesterday's video, I mentioned to you guys why the 28-cent level was so important, because it acts as a very strong support level. Even though we see that same test on that 34, we do see a consolidation zone, and then we get one nice wick to the downside and then the proper breakout. That's exactly what I'm looking for right now on Cardano overall. But of course, right now things are looking quite bullish if we do get a strong bullish move to the upside. Now, in terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that there is something of interest to note. We're not seeing that volume come in just yet in terms of a breakout, right? Usually when you start testing a resistance point these many times, you start seeing those breakout move sets. But I want you guys to kind of pay attention and make sure that you pay attention to in terms of these wicks, right? You can see that every time we saw these wicks having a false breakout, we immediately dumped right after. What we're looking for is a strong bullish engulfing candle and then finding this level as support for that continuation on the hourly time frames. And of course, not getting wicked out in terms of previous price analysis. You see, every time we saw those strong bullish engulfing candles come in, we immediately rejected them and had some red candlesticks pushing back downwards, right? So this is what we call a nice consolidation zone, but now things are obviously looking a little bit different. Before, we were testing these levels as support and immediately after retesting them as resistance for exponential moving averages, but now it looks like the exponential moving averages are ready to break above, so we can use this ladder case up, continue pushing towards the upside in terms of that 34-cent resistance. On the daily time frame, you can see that Cardano has broken above these exponential moving averages, which I mentioned the fact that they are acting as a very strong resistance point all the way down from here around that 39 cents. You can see once we had this massive move to the downside, we were using these areas as resistance and that consolidation. Now it looks like we have found a decent support level, but I'm still expecting a nice wick obviously to the downside before that continuation. Whether or not we see it, of course, is going to be the question once we test the 34-cent level. Keep a very close eye, of course, from a bullish case scenario that if we do get above that 34-cent level and find it as support, that would be a very strong buy signal. But of course, if we do slowly ladder our way up there and then find it as resistance, we're still looking to play the overall down move. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.